Hi guys, welcome back to another Workout Wednesday video. Today we are going to be doing the booty. You know, everybody wants a nice big booty, big juicy booty, and I'm gonna help y'all out. I got y'all. You feels me? I like targeting my thighs, my butt, and my abs when I work out. So today it's gonna be that. You are gonna need some resistant bands. This is the fine toning one, and they also have a strengthening, but today we are gonna be using the fine toning one. So if you guys do have the toning up one, make sure you use this with me. The sweat band workout, you guys saw me use this in my last workout video, the ab ones. If you guys did not check that one out, you guys missed the episode, make sure you guys hit the iCard and it will take you right to that after you finish watching this video. You guys gonna put some of the sweet sweat on and then put the band on, and this is also, no matter if you're just only targeting the butt, this also still gonna burn some of that belly fat out. So without further ado, let's get into it. If you guys would like to see more of these videos, make sure you comment down below. I will be uploading a new workout video every Wednesday, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that bell notification so you guys know anytime we upload. So I don't like long intros, so let's get into this.
Money. 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 Money.